In this analysis, we explored two contrasting restaurant models: Makwa Pizzeria, a charming artisanal eatery, and Domino's Pizza Arao, a prominent global chain. We delve into how different service approaches, menu structures, and branding strategies impact the dining experience. While Domino's emphasizes technology-driven efficiency, Makwa Pizzeria thrives on authenticity and individualized service. This comparison reveals how ambience, community interaction, and food preparation influence customer satisfaction. By examining these distinct approaches, we gain insights into restaurant management, marketing, and how operational strategies create competitive advantages in the ever-evolving food industry landscape.
From the restaurant's profile, we are introduced to Makwa Pizzeria, a charming village-style Western restaurant nestled in Arao, Perlis, and proudly owned by Sawa binti Mohammed Noor. Established in late 2023, this gem showcases Sawa's passion for artisan pizza making, cultivated over several years. With a delightful blend of Western cuisine and local kampong vibes, Makwa Pizzeria features traditional Malay village house architecture, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for diners. Offering both indoor and outdoor seating, guests can enjoy stunning views of the surrounding paddy fields while savoring a diverse menu that includes artisan pizzas crafted from fresh dough. Alongside mouth-watering pasta, crispy garlic bread, succulent chicken wings, indulgent desserts, and innovative drinks. Open from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. and closed on Tuesdays, Makwa Pizzeria has quickly become a favorite among young adults, especially students from uni, families, and middle-income patrons who seek quality and unique dining experiences. With its memorable taglines like "Pizza with a twist" and "Your slice of happiness," and a strong online presence on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, Makwa Pizzeria stands out as a small yet vibrant local restaurant, ready to compete with larger chains in the culinary landscape.
Next, the second restaurant for comparison is Domino's Pizza Arao, Perlis, a local gem that brings the flavor of Italian-American cuisine right to your neighborhood. Located conveniently at 141A No. 2 Jalan Dua, this branch operates daily from 10:30 a.m. to 11 p.m., making it the perfect stop for lunch, dinner, or even late-night cravings. Known for its fast delivery and efficient takeout, Domino's Arao emphasizes a quick service experience, ideal for busy families, students, and young professionals alike. With a menu that showcases delicious pizzas along with mouth-watering sides like chicken wings, pasta, sandwiches, and desserts, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a satisfying meal or taking advantage of exciting promotions like buy one free one, this location caters to budget-conscious customers without compromising on quality. Utilizing a modern online ordering system with real-time tracking, every order is just a few clicks away. While the limited dine-in seating is designed for quick grab-and-go experiences, the consistency and branding with the iconic red and blue logo assures you that you're getting the same great taste you expect from Domino's globally. Experience speed, convenience, and value for money at Domino's Pizza Arao, where quality meets affordability.
World of dining, not all experiences are created equal. When comparing two popular choices, Makwa Pizzeria emerges as a distinctive gem. This restaurant captivates diners with its unique charcoal oven pizzas and a kampong-style ambience that evokes a sense of warmth and community. Unlike the fast-paced service of giant chains like Domino's, Makwa Pizzeria prioritizes personal service, ensuring every visit feels special and tailored. The spirit of a small local business shines through as it creates a vibrant atmosphere rich in culture and community ties, offering not just a meal but a memorable experience. Makwa Pizzeria's approach to customer attraction is innovative, leveraging storytelling and engaging social media strategies, while collaborating with local influencers and participating in community events. This contrasts sharply with Domino's reliance on corporate branding and technology-driven tactics. By fostering a strong cultural vibe and focusing on community connections, Makwa Pizzeria exemplifies how small businesses can cultivate customer loyalty in competitive markets. Each visit not only supports local enterprise but also reinforces the bonds of community, making Makwa a powerful testament to the impact of unique dining experiences. It's these connections that truly set Makwa Pizzeria apart from the mainstream options available.
In the bustling town of Arao, two pizza establishments offer distinctly different dining experiences: Makwa Pizzeria and Domino's Pizza Arao. At Makwa Pizzeria, the atmosphere is infused with warmth and sincerity. As you step inside, you are welcomed by a friendly kampong-style environment. The staff, although a small team, engage in heartfelt conversations with customers, creating a sense of community. Here, you can take your time as pizzas are crafted from scratch and baked in a traditional charcoal oven, which imparts a unique smoky flavor that defines their artisanal identity. While the service may be slower due to this hands-on approach, patrons appreciate the authenticity of their meals. The rustic decor, featuring wooden structures and warm lighting, combined with views of the surrounding paddy fields, adds to the charm of the pizzeria. A semi-open kitchen presents a transparent view of the cooking process, reinforcing trust and hygienic practices. Customer interactions extend beyond the physical space, as the community remains engaged online, fostering a connected experience. In contrast, Domino's Pizza Aisle embodies a fast-paced, standardized quick-service restaurant model. Here, efficiency is paramount. Staff are meticulously trained to ensure speedy service without compromising accuracy. Interactions are friendly yet brief, reflecting the emphasis on quick turnarounds. Customers can rely on the swift delivery service, famously known for the 30-minute guarantee. The ambience of Domino's is simple and functional, designed primarily for quick visits rather than leisurely dining. Cleanliness is strictly maintained following established standard operating procedures, and customer communication predominantly occurs through digital platforms, catering to the on-the-go lifestyle of its patrons. When it comes to food offerings, Makwa Pizzeria delights with its artisan-style menu that features handcrafted pizzas, pasta, and signature drinks. Every dish is made using fresh, high-quality ingredients, and although prices are slightly elevated, diners perceive them as justifiable due to the exceptional quality. However, dietary options are limited, with no gluten-free or vegan alternatives on the menu. On the other hand, Domino's presents a more extensive, standardized menu that appeals to a broader audience. Featuring a variety of pizzas, pastas, sides, and desserts, Domino's introduces new flavors regularly to cater to local tastes. Their value-driven promotions, such as buy one free two, attract families and students alike, with halal certification for all ingredients. Yet, like Makwa, Domino's does not provide specialized dietary options. In essence, while Makwa Pizzeria focuses on artisanal quality and personal touch, Domino's prioritizes speed, affordability, and variety, catering to diverse customer needs. Next, we move to the restaurant operations. There are 4 key points: the types of service provided, table turnover, seating efficiency, and kitchen operation, and, lastly, the use of technology. First, we go to the types of service provided. Makwa Pizzeria offers reservation, walk-in, takeaway, and delivery services. For delivery service, Makwa Pizzeria uses the Foodpanda app. Meanwhile, Domino's Pizza only offers walk-in, takeaway, and delivery services. Delivery services from Domino's Pizza will be guaranteed to arrive within 30 minutes. Second, the table turnover and seating efficiency for Makwa Pizzeria are moderate table turnover and seating efficiency. Makwa Pizzeria's seating arrangements prioritize comfort rather than volume. For Domino's Pizza, they are at a high table turnover and seating efficiency due to most customers choosing to use takeaway and delivery services, which are reducing dining-in traffic and making the seating area secondary. Third, kitchen operations. Makwa Pizzeria used a unique technique of pizza baked in a charcoal oven and a layout for a semi-open kitchen. These techniques provide them with an authentic and personalized cooking process, and they need skilled kitchen staff to handle it. For Domino's Pizza, a highly standardized kitchen model and kitchen workflow focused on speed and a conveyor oven with a strict timing system. Lastly, for the use of technology, Makwa Pizzeria uses a basic POS system for billing and order management. They also use QR codes for payments to enhance customer convenience and use the WhatsApp platform for reservations and ordering during busy times. For Domino's Pizza, they use advanced technology systems for operations, online ordering, GPS delivery tracking, an automatic order queue, and corporate-level POS systems that link to an inventory, customer data, and promotions.
Next, we jump to the marketing and branding section. In this section, there are 3 key points, which are online presence, promotions, customer loyalty strategies, brand image, and messaging. We go on Makwa Pizzeria first. For online presence, Makwa Pizzeria use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Foodpanda for the delivery app. Makwa Pizzeria restaurant spends a lot of time on social media viewing content, sharing dining experiences, and searching for meal inspiration. For Domino's Pizza, they use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and mobile application software as their online presence. Next, we move to the promotions and customer loyalty strategies. Makwa Pizzeria promote their products through combo sets, student discounts, and seasonal offers. They also collaborate with local influencers to promote products and services. These can attract more new customers and also build trust towards customers to experience at their traditional and classic restaurant. Meanwhile, Domino's Pizza promote their product and service with regularly offers to the customers to buy its products, like buy one free two. These strategies will encourage people to repeat purchases and get positive feedback from them. Lastly, in terms of brand image and messaging, Makwa Pizzeria make up with a warm atmosphere, classic location, and word-of-mouth recommendation. These highlights of Makwa Pizzeria's freshness, coziness, and attractive dining place. But for Domino's Pizza, they always stick to quick services, customer convenience, and product consistency.
Let's dive into their health, safety, and sanitation practices. First, we have Makwa Pizzeria, a small business that opened its doors in 2023. They prioritize basic hygiene practices, ensuring that the kitchen remains clean, handling dough with care, and providing simple training to their staff, especially when it comes to using the oven. However, since the staff is relatively new and the business is still in its infancy, consistency in their hygiene practices may vary. In contrast, Domino's Pizza upholds strict and standardized hygiene procedures across all their outlets. They implement proper food storage systems, require staff to wear gloves and hairnets, and adhere to daily cleaning schedules. This consistency ensures that customers can trust their meals are prepared in a professionally managed environment. Next, let's talk about COVID-19 protocols. Makwa Pizzeria opened during the post-COVID period, and while they likely adhered to simple SOPs such as regular sanitizing and maintaining good ventilation, there wasn't a formal COVID system in place anymore. On the other hand, Domino's Pizza took the pandemic seriously, with strong protocols in place, including zero-contact delivery, regular sanitizing, contactless payment options, and comprehensive staff safety training. Even after restrictions were lifted, Domino's continued to maintain high hygiene standards to reassure their customers. Moving on to the SWOT analysis, let's look at Makwa Pizzeria first. Its strengths lie in its unique compound-style concept and stunning views of beautiful paddy fields. The pizzas are delicious and crafted with the owner's experience and passion, providing customers with both indoor and outdoor seating for comfort. However, their weaknesses include a rural location that makes it hard for town dwellers to visit. Additionally, they operate only after 3 p.m. and close on Tuesdays, plus as a new business, they are still building their reputation. Makwa also has opportunities on the horizon. The rising trend in food tourism aligns perfectly with their village concept, and they have the chance to innovate with seasonal or local flavor pizzas. Leveraging social media could help them attract more visitors. Yet, like any business, they face threats from competitors, fluctuating ingredient costs, and the challenges of managing large crowds. Now, let's examine Domino's Pizza. Their strengths include being a recognized global brand with a reputation for fast and reliable delivery. Their online ordering system is user-friendly and they frequently offer promotions at affordable prices. However, their menu lacks the unique charm found in handmade artisanal pizzas, and they rely heavily on delivery due to small dine-in spaces. Some customers perceive them as fast food, which might not resonate well with health-conscious individuals. Domino's has opportunities to expand into smaller towns and campuses. They have the potential to introduce healthier or premium pizza options and keep improving their digital systems to enhance customer experience. On the flip side, they also face competition from local and international pizza places, rising ingredient prices, changing customer preferences toward healthier options, and economic challenges that might affect spending on pizza.
Makwa Pizzeria and Domino's Pizza Arao present two distinct dining experiences. Makwa embraces a cozy, kampung-style atmosphere, crafting handmade pizzas while fostering community connections through social media and local events. This creates emotional bonds and consumer loyalty. On the other hand, Domino's focuses on speed and convenience, utilizing online ordering and delivery tracking to meet the needs of customers who seek efficient service. Each establishment's strategy highlights the importance of understanding target markets and the effectiveness of tailored business approaches.
Dining out, many people seek not just a meal, but an experience. Makwa Pizzeria rises to the occasion with its kampung-style setting, where the charm of a cozy atmosphere meets the delicious aroma of charcoal oven artisan pizzas. It's not just about food, it's about creating memories. Each visit is enhanced by personalized service, fostering a sense of belonging that fast food chains simply can't replicate. Makwa Pizzeria engages its community through storytelling and social media, appealing to young adults, students, and families alike. This engagement translates into loyalty, as customers are drawn back for that unique experience over and over again. In contrast, Domino's Pizza Arao excels in efficiency and reliability, promising fast service and consistent food quality. Their strong digital presence makes ordering a breeze, which is appealing to those in a hurry. However, the standardized chain model leaves little room for personal touch or memorable moments. While Domino's serves as a convenient option for quick meals, it lacks the warmth and creativity that come with dining at Makwa. Ultimately, Makwa Pizzeria stands out not just as a place to eat but as a destination for a delightful culinary adventure. Makwa Pizzeria has vast potential to enhance its appeal. By extending operating hours, it could cater to a broader audience, particularly those from nearby areas. Offering diverse options, such as vegetarian or gluten-free pizzas, can attract a wider customer base. Improving staff scheduling and kitchen efficiency will ensure a seamless dining experience, while implementing efficient reservation systems will help manage customer flow. To create buzz, Makwa Pizzeria can leverage marketing initiatives, including vibrant social media campaigns and seasonal promotions, alongside enticing behind-the-scenes content. Establishing loyalty programs, hosting pop-up events, and organizing community gatherings can forge a strong connection between the pizzeria and its patrons, making visits memorable. Meanwhile, Domino Pizza Aisle can enhance its local presence by introducing limited-time menu items that resonate with regional preferences. Comfortable dining areas and user-friendly self-ordering kiosks can significantly elevate the customer experience. Speedy delivery complemented by real-time tracking, rewards, and online promotions will boost customer loyalty. Engaging the community through behind-the-scenes videos, sharing customer stories, and interactive social media campaigns can strengthen a reliable and friendly image for Domino's, positioning it as a go-to option for pizza lovers in the area.